I am Devani, here with speech importance of time management. Time management is one of the key factors to success in any field of work. It is important for your personal life and for your career. Time management teaches you patience and how to tackle difficult tasks in a given space of time. It teaches you how to make the most of your valuable time and increase your productivity and efficiency. There is famous saying, time is money. I would say time is life. So if you really want to make the most of your life, you must learn the secret of time management. Time management is an optimal utilization of time. Time is a dynamic resource. Only people who use it wisely become successful. Time can't be stored or put by for later use. The best we can do is use constructively. It is the only thing in the world that we cannot store for future. The value of time is in the moment and needs to be extracted out of the given moment. For example, today's time can't be stored in any manner for future use. We can either use it today or lose it forever. So the principle of time is either use or lose. All great personages who have achieved success in life have used the secret of optimal use of time. Personages such as Albert Einstein, Charles Darwin, Isaac Newton, Socrates, Thomas Edison, Abraham Lincoln, Charlie Chaplin, Henry Ford, Bill Gates, Walt Disney, Helen Keller, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. use this secret of utilizing time. Published Ovidus Naso or Ovidus says that time is the best medicine, and it is really true that it is the best medicine as it helps to heal our wounds, feelings and broken hearts. Also, it helps us to forgive a person for his mistake and hence said to be the best medicine. The proverb, killing time is not a murder, it is a suicide, perfectly suits all those who do not understand the value of time and also don't respect it. They waste their time doing useless things or doing nothing at all. Furthermore, there are people who give excuses like they do not have time for doing work. It's not that they do not have time, but they don't know how to manage time. Every person in the world daily has 24 hours. However, it depends upon the person how to manage their golden hours and how to set priorities. Moreover, if we learn to manage our time, then there is no one in the world that can stop us from being successful in life. According to the time, work is profitable and the first step towards the goal is to move. Staying away from a moment of a person remove it from its goal. Cheating time often tries to deceive himself. Therefore, a person should manage his routine according to the time. Time runs continuously. Time does not come back. Human life has a lot of time in time. One moment of life, one moment is important. Success is the only one who use the time consuming time. So we should use the time, we should organize our routine in such a way that time can be utilized. So in conclusion, it can be said that anyone who wishes to be great in life must learn to use time greatly. Don't let the precious moment just slip by in idle gossips and trivial activities. Make the best use of time by devoting your each and every moment to character building and skill development. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.